Hi guys, my name is Medintseva and you are on my crochet channel. In this video I want to show you how you can crochet an egg like this. This egg is the size of a regular chicken egg. The height of the leg is about 6 cm and the width is about 4.5 cm. I already have a lot of eggs of different colors crocheted in my basket for the Easter. This is such a beautiful, regularly shaped egg. I suggest you to crochet such an egg together with me. If anyone is more comfortable crocheting a toy using a PDF pattern, you can find it in my Etsy store. For crochet, I use Himalaya Dolphin Baby Plush yarn. You can also use other type of splash yarn, for example, Yarnart Dolce. You can also use other types of yarn, only the size of the egg may vary. My main hook, which I use for crocheting most toys, is hook number 4, that is 4 mm. Now, together with you, I want to crochet a mint colored tag. Himalaya Dolphin Baby yarn 345. At the very beginning we make a loop and 2 chain stitches, and in the first chain stitch we make 5 single crochets. You can also start with an amigurumi ring, everyone does what is convenient. So I made 2 chain stitches, and in the first stitch we make 5 single crochets. This is the second single crochet. This is the third single crochet. 4, 5. The first row is over. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the second row we make 5 increases. In each stitch there are 2 single crochets. This is the first single crochet, and in the same stitch the second single crochet. 3, 4 is the second increase. 5, 6 is the third increase. 7, 8 is the fourth increase, and in the last stitch we make 2 single crochets. This is the 5th increase. The second row is over. In the third row we make 1 single crochet and 1 increase, and do this until the end of the row. We repeat the combination 5 times. At the end of the row there will be 15 single crochets. This is 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch 1 increase is 2, 3. 1 single crochet is 4, and 1 increase is 5, 6. We repeat the combination 1 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of the row. 7. And 1 increase is 8, 9, 10, and 1 increase is 11, 12. And the last time 1 single crochet is 13 and 1 increase is 14, 15. The third row is ready. Turn it right side out. In the fourth row we make 15 single crochets. We simply make 1 single crochet in each stitch, without decreases or increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The fourth row is ready. In the fifth row we make 2 single crochets and 1 increase, and do this until the end of the row. We repeat the combination 5 times. At the end of the row there will be 20 single crochets. 1, 2, and 1 increase is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 increase is 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 increase is 11, 12, 13, 14, and 1 increase is 15, 16, 17, 18, and the last increase is 19, 20. In the 6th, 7th and 8th row, 3 rows, we make 20 single crochets in each row. That is, we crochet without changes, 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3. You can put a marker at the beginning of the row so as not to get confused and control the process. If there is a marker, then you don't have to count the stitches, but simply focus on the marker. In each stitch we crochet 1 single crochet for 3 rows. This is me finishing making 20 single crochets in the 8th row. I reached the marker. The 8th row is completed. From the 9th row we begin to make decreases. In the 9th row we make 3 single crochets and 1 decrease, and so on until the end of the row. We need to repeat this combination 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 1 decrease is the first time. Again, the first single crochet, 2, 3, and 1 decrease is the second time. 1, 2, 3, and 1 decrease is the third time, and the last time the combination 1, 2, 3, and 1 decrease is the fourth time. The 9th row is done. In the 10th row we make 16 single crochets. We simply make 1 single crochet in each stitch, without increases or decreases. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The 10th row is ready. In the 11th row we make 2 single crochets and 1 decrease, and so on until the end of the row. We repeat the combination 4 times. This is the first time we have done a combination. This is the second time we repeated the combination. Third time. And the last, fourth time. This is the last decrease in the 11th row. Here I make 1 more single crochet. I leave a loop like this. We put the hook aside for now, cut the thread but leave a small end to pull through the stitches and tighten the ring. We also remove the marker. It will no longer be needed. Pull out the thread. Tighten the thread. Now we need to add filler to our egg. I use hollow fiber as a filler. Add enough filler to give the egg the correct rounded shape. Please note, the egg should be quite dense. You can see how much filler I add to the egg. My egg turns out quite dense. We have already created such a beautiful egg. All we have to do is close the hole to completely finish the crocheting. Now we need to use a hook to pull the thread through each stitch. We insert the hook alternately from one side and from other side. The thread is pulled from the inside of this side. Now we grab the thread from the outside. Pull out the thread. We will then need to tighten the ring and close the hole in this way. Don't skip the stitches. Again, grab the thread from the outside and pull it through the stitch. We have a ring left and we need to pull it off to get the finished egg. Thanks to this, the egg will turn out smooth and neat. We will soon have such a beautiful egg in our hands. We continue to pull the thread through the stitches, alternately changing sides. Watch the filler so that it doesn't clean. Just pull the thread through the stitches. Now insert the hook again from the outside and pull the thread to this side. We continue to pull the thread through the stitches to the end of the row. The thread should be pulled through all the stitches that remain. A little more and the hook would have jumped out of my hands, but I managed to catch the hook. We are done. The thread is pulled through all the stitches. If necessary, press the filler inward so that it doesn't come out. Gently pull the thread and thus tighten the ring and close the hole. Be careful to pull gently so that the thread doesn't break. This is how I managed to tighten the ring. Now we need to hide this thread inside. We grab the thread with the hook and pull it to the side of the egg. Tighten the thread. Here we tie a knot. The knot is needed to prevent the thread from weakening and the egg from unraveling. The knot is tight. Now the end of the thread can be hidden inside. We don't need the long end of the thread, so we can cut off the excess. Using a hook, hide the end of the thread inside the egg. This way. This is how I managed to complete the crocheted Easter egg. You can additionally press on the egg with your fingers so that the filler is evenly distributed inside the egg. We got such a neat and beautiful Easter egg. Important point. If suddenly you don't manage to pull the thread beautifully, this happens, the thread may not want to stretch normally. In this case, you can use a regular needle and thread and simply sew the hole. This way too, nothing will be visible and it will be beautiful. I'll show you a few more Easter eggs of different colors. The toy is very simple and understandable. I hope everything worked out for you. I wish you a wonderful mood and see you soon.